Matatawag ko na uli ang sarili kong Pilipino. Don't get me wrong, may mga perks ang pagiging Canadian. You can go to countries without having to apply for visa. Hello to everybody. I've been planning this for a long time now. Finally, I made a move and nagawa ko na siya. I finally decided to apply for dual citizenship. Yung plano matagal na, pero I finally made a move last Monday. So, ginawa ko lahat ng requirements ko. Because today is April 15. Because sa ngayon, Canadian citizen ako. I've been here in Edmonton, Canada for 13 years. 2023, I was 55 when I applied for citizenship. Hindi na ako nag-exam because I was already 55. Pag ganun, exempted na sa exam. Did my oath taking May 8. So I will be on my third year as Canadian citizen. Being a Canadian citizen, wait, don't get me wrong, syempre maraming perks. I can travel anywhere na visa-free, like Japan. I was able to go to Japan without obtaining Japan visa. April 13 and April 15, sinabit ko na finally. Sabi nila the processing takes about a month to 3 months, and then sa Calgary ko siya sinabmit. And later I will be showing you what the requirements are. So ito yung requirements. Kailangan mo ng 2x2 photo. Kailangan within the last 3 months ng pag-send mo ng application. It has to be colored, white ang background. Kailangan wala kang glasses if you're wearing one. And then lalagay mo sa likod yung iyong pangalan. So, kailangan yan ng 3 kopya. So, you need to put a check sa mga questions na kailangan. Ang lalagyan lang naman ng check dito yung tungkol sa civil status mo and sa gender. So, yun lang. The usual, your last name, first name, middle name, and married name. Kung ikaw ay married, no? And then your civil status, present occupation mo, address in the Philippines, address in Canada, mailing address, your home mobile phone number, work phone number, your working email address na para madali mong makakuha ng communication from the consulate. If you're married, name of your spouse, nationality, and the name of the applicant's father, birth date ng father mo, and citizenship ng father mo, pinanganak ang applicant. Pangalan ng mother ng applicant, birth date ng mother ng applicant, and citizenship ng mother mo nung pinanganak yung applicant. So part 2 question number 19, your current foreign citizenship. So that means Canadian. And then mode of acquisition of foreign citizenship, citizenship by naturalization. Date of acquisition of foreign citizenship, nakalagay ito sa Certificate of Citizenship, yung passport number ng inyong Canadian passport, kung saan siya in-issue, date of issue. And then, they will be asking also your previous, yung pinaka-most recent passport mo na sa Pilipinas, passport number, the date and the place of issue. The name of your dependents, yung mga anak ninyo, kung kayo ay may anak. And so, yung name sila, place of birth, and date of birth. Kung hindi sa inyo applicable, make sure you put an NA, not applicable. So, basahin na lang ninyo. And then, you place the date kung kailan mo siya pinirmahan. And then, you put your signature here above your printed name. So, itong subscribe and sworn, wag mo na siyang fill outan. That will be filled out on the day of your oath taking, pati na yung dito yung mga documentary number, and then the administering officer. And then when you submit this, make sure you have it signed already. So ang mga requirements, so number 1 is the application form, yung pinakita kanina. And then when you're done, you mail it to Philippine Consulate General, or a Republic Act number 9225 section, the suite number, the street, Southeast Calgary. Make sure may payment, pag pupunta kayo sa banko, you request for a bank draft, should state the exact name, Philippine Consulate General, in the amount of 77 and 50 Canadian dollars. Kapag meron kayong mga dependents na kasama sa application, so each dependent is 38.75. So, ang iba pang requirements, syempre yung inyong photos, 3 pieces of 2x2, and then you write your name, the name of the applicant at the back. You need to submit also your birth certificate. Kailangan kasama yung original and 2 photocopies ng birth certificate ninyo. Kayo ay married, kailangan din ng 2 photocopies of your marriage certificate, and then kung divorce, 2 photocopies of divorce certificate. Kung ang inyong spouse ay wala na, kailangan din ng 2 photocopies of the death certificate, and of course kasama na din doon kailangan yung marriage certificate ninyong dalawa. And then, kailangan ng 2 photocopies lang, nung inyong most recent Philippine passport. Ang photocopy nun is yung data, photo, and signature page lang. Kailangan din ng 2 photocopies of your Canadian passport, yung data, photo, and signature page lang. And then, 2 photocopies of your Canadian citizenship certificate. And then, syempre yung bayad, $77.50. So, make sure na ang inyong photocopy ay single-sided copies only. Yung inyong original dadalhin during oath taking. So, original na passports ninyo, Canadian and Philippine passport. And then, yung Canadian citizenship certificate dadalhin during the oath taking. At ibabalik din naman yan. Kasama na yung original birth certificate na sinabit ninyo by mail. And then, you mail all your requirements and the payment dito sa RA 9225 section kapag sa Calgary, Philippine Consulate General, Suite 100, 1001 1st Street, South East, Calgary, Alberta, T5G 5G3. The processing time of dual citizenship applications, typically 1 to 3 months. So, kailangan during the oath taking, nandun kayo present.
This is the one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't need to buy this. Yeah, you're gonna just write everything in here. Price will be about 18,000.
Oh, okay. So I will just be waiting for any form of communication from the Philippine Consulate in Calgary as to when I'm going to take my oath taking for my dual citizenship. And as you get older, you wanted just to go back to the Philippines. Pero syempre, I will still retain my Canadian citizenship. Maraming salamat, and see you on my next video, which is the oath taking. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Ay tungkulin ko'y gagampanan, na lagi kang paglingkuran, ang laya mo'y babantayan, Pilipinas kong mahal.